Hello guys, welcome back to WP Support Chat. So in our last video, we guys saw how we created an FTP, right? And in this video, we will learn how to set up or connect a FTP with help of Filezilla Client, right? So this is the FTP which we created in our last video, and in this video, we will connect to this folder with help of these FTP settings. So the first thing you can do is you can install this Filezilla Client, right? It's an application which helps you to use FTP settings and connect with a remote server, right? So we are going to use Filezilla for it. There are certain settings we will need to put in. So let's see first of all what is our host. So once we created the FTP account, we got this information, and what you see as FTP server, that is known as your host, right? The server is the host from where we are going to connect. So I'll put in this FTP server details out here in host. The second thing we need to put in is the username for the FTP. So this is our username, mike@mynewtest.com. I'll select the username and I'll put it here. Then we need to enter the password for the FTP. I have just kept the password out here. I think I have it copied. So I had the password copied. No, maybe what I'll need to do is I don't remember what the password was. So let's change the password first of all. I'll have to generate a new one. This is the password. So I went back to the FTP because I forgot the password and I'm just resetting it. So I'm keeping this new password. And it says the password has been changed. So let's go back to Filezilla Client and put in the new password. So we did just put it. The next thing which you need to enter is the port. Now with a port you need to remember like if your website has SSL, then the port is which you need to enter is port 21. And in case if the SSL is not there, then the port which you have to enter. Okay, so we entered the password. The next thing which we need to type is the port. So if you're using a SSL connection, a secure connection, then you have to type in port 21. So we have typed it in. Let's connect. So it says connection established and the server is logged in. Great. So out here you can see it also gives you the status on top: TLS connection established, logged in, retrieving directory listing successful. So this simply means we have successfully logged into this directory, and now we can access the data out here or maybe transfer something if you want. So this is the folder for which we have got access. This is my local desktop. So let's just for test purpose transfer this WebP file and then see like if we find it in the server or not. So at the bottom you can see out here it will show you the transferring status and the file has been transferred, right? So I'll go back to the server and there we will see, okay, this is that folder, my new test, for which we created the FTP. Right, so can you see this? We have this 1-17.webp file out here now. So this way we can successfully create a connection with help of Filezilla Client, and you can transfer files, transfer data with help of a FTP. In case if you have any questions, feel free to share with us in the comments below. And if you would like to learn more about WordPress, more about hostings, right? cPanel. So do subscribe to our channel, WP Support Chat, and don't forget to leave us a like. Thank you for watching.